Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
West, we don't under pressure. They see illegal pipe when you go for whatever they take diesel. NNPC get their own under special set of people. They get illegal pipe when they take crude. Now they don't shine another illegal pipe. They don't see another one when they shine and go extra. They take Nigeria crude. For where we for come, we not see lights, we not get water, no good school, no good infrastructure for where we for come. They take our product. Now, after the illegal pipe when we say government, they don't see so for different places. They don't even intercede another vessel with crude. Since about how many days? With the crude number and the crude people inside crude. Before we wake, they don't put fire. They never investigate, they don't put fire. Now, as if the putting fire not be enough, my people from my community, they smoke when they're here, they cough blood. Everybody where they those areas where they for when they thief the diesel, so when they thief the crude oil, so the fish pipe pass go escravos. The escravos so they pass all the village where they pass, no lights, no school. River don't take the village end, but they still see illegal pipe when you go to Focados. For inside Nigeria, we get Navy, we get Army, we get Minister of Petroleum, we get federal government. Nobody they make pen. This is the situation that we are facing in the creek. People they cough blood now, and they call government, may they call intercede. When I go carry the people there, because if anything happen to them, if anything happen to my people, we are not go find them easy. We are not go find them easy. Now we be I am mighty the thief. Poor man not go fit buy that kind of pipe. Go they go thief crude oil. Una wey they thief, una not give us school, una not give us light. God go punish you now. And those of una when they involved, una stop am. Nonsense. We don't under pressure. They see illegal pipe when you go for whatever they take diesel. NNPC get their own under special set of people. They get illegal pipe when they take crude. Now they don't shine another illegal pipe. They don't see another one when they shine and go extra. They take Nigeria crude. For where we for come, we not see lights, we not get water, no good school, no good infrastructure for where we for come. They take our product. Now, after the illegal pipe when we say government, they don't see so for different places. They don't even intercede another vessel with crude. Since about how many days? With the crude number and the crude people inside crude. Before we wake, they don't put fire. They never investigate, they don't put fire. Now, as if the putting fire not be enough, my people from my community, they smoke when they're here, they cough blood. Everybody where they those areas where they for born team, they cough blood. They inhale carbon monoxide since yesterday night. Now, the Minister of Petroleum, no come as I come talk one word. The people where they thief the diesel, so when they thief the crude oil, so the fish pipe pass go escravos. The escravos so they pass all the village where they pass, no lights, no school. River don't take the village end. But they still see illegal pipe when you go to Focados. For inside Nigeria, we get Navy, we get Army, we get Minister of Petroleum, we get federal government. Nobody they make pen. This is the situation that we are facing in the creek. People they cough blood now, and they call government, may they call intercede. When I go carry the people there, because if anything happen to them, if anything happen to my people, we are not go find them easy. We are not go find them easy. Now we be I am mighty the thief. Poor man not go fit buy that kind of pipe. Go they go thief crude oil. Una wey they thief, una not give us school, una not give us light. God go punish you now. And those of una when they involved, una stop am. Nonsense.
This is the IC you are seeing behind me. This is where the 4-kilometer trunk line that was just discovered was laid into this ocean you are seeing behind me. 4 kilometers into this ocean, down is where they connected the pipe to siphon 250,000 barrels of crude oil on a daily basis, which is equivalent to $700 million. That is, the federal government loses $700 million alone from this This pipe that was laid from the trunk line is down inside this mangrove forest. So from inside this mangrove forest, you are seeing the pipe was laid this ocean behind, 4 kilometers into this ocean, where they siphon 250,000 barrels of crude on a daily basis. This is Sekobolo in Burutu local government area. It's raining, but we're on national assignment. What can we do? After the inspection today, Swan Boogie and other equipment we brought here to excavate the pipe and disconnect it to end this illegal activity going on here. We want to thank the GOC of the Niger Delta Waterways, High Chief Government Ekompolo, Eke Otompolo, for discovering this trunk line that will bring to an end the illegal activities that is going on in this area.
Embassy.
So you go and talk to the embassy. You tell them now. The Nigerians here, they want to come to the embassy.
So Kuya, the Nigerian embassy doesn't want us to meet them.
Yes, that's
So the Nigerian embassy has denied us. Kuya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your embassy,
Okay.
your own embassy denied you.
You call the embassy.
You call the embassy.
You call the
Yeah,
embassy.
we
They
call
don't.
the
Yes.
embassy.
What's your name? So you are telling us. You are telling us that the Nigerian embassy have denied its citizens, right?
Yes.
No, video him.
Video you, sir.
Video both of us. He is telling us we are cadets sponsored by the Nigerian NIMASA, and now they are telling us that the Nigerian embassy has denied us in a foreign land. NIMASA is not replying us. We are the embassy. Now the security is stopping us. You can see the security guys have blocked us. You can see our colleagues. We are all here. They have stopped us from going to the embassy to complain our problems and our needs at the embassy. So this is good.
What do you want to do? We are here today for a simple demonstration. We are going to our own embassy, and now our embassy have instructed the security to stop us here. That we are not allowed to go to our own embassy when we have a challenge. Now the Philippine security is holding us to go to our own embassy, Nigerian embassy, because it is our embassy that are giving them the right and the instruction that we should not be allowed. How can I not be allowed to go to my embassy when I have a challenge? And I want to use this medium to pour out the challenge we are facing here. 10 years ago, we were sent to the Philippines to study marine engineering and marine transportation under a NIMASA NSDP scholarship. 10 years ago, and this is a scholarship that was supposed to last for 4 years. 3 years in school, 1 year in the ship, then I come back to write my exam and finish it. But this has stayed long for 10 good years. I have wasted my life, my 10 years of my life, and many of my colleagues also in the same program. Now finally, we are here for the last lap that will get our license and go back to Nigeria.
This is the purpose why you need separation. This is the purpose why you know very well that the leaders in that country don't have your interests at heart. They are selfish people. They only fight for themselves. That is only what they know. That is the best language they can speak. They don't have your interests at heart. It's written all over. And you are seeing the evidence year to year, but still you fail not to believe. So my wonderful family, I will keep bringing you the updates, so those that have ears, let them hear. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.